Hello traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to be talking about how the market is going to be behaving on the 4th of March 2021, the expiry. What are the key levels for Bank Nifty? Where can it perform a breakout? Are we in a long-term rally? All these questions will be answered in a couple of seconds. Before we get there, if you want to make similar profits like how we have made today, you can join us on www.rltrgroup.com and live trade with us tomorrow every day at 9:15 and be in the league of the 5% who make money every day by options buying. Yes, I'm not joking. It is options buying. That is what we do. And let's look at the levels now. Without further ado, I did give you a bit of a breakout information yesterday. I told you if Bank Nifty is going to consolidate at this particular level and break out, we can expect a 700-point target. So I want, a lot of you to comment on the comment section and tell me how many of you guys heard this yesterday and what happened today. So today, this particular arrow was not something that I drew right now, but I drew it yesterday on my yesterday's video as well, that we can even touch 36,500. Now, of course, we were shy of, a couple of 10 or 20 points, but we captured a complete 700-point rally here. All right. So if you want to similarly capture this rally, join us on the Telegram channel as well, which is being listed below. That's absolutely free of cost, where we go ahead and give you the indication of the market, and you will have a fair idea about where the market is heading over there. In the Telegram channel, I did tell everybody that if you break 35,888, we will get a 700-point rally. You can also comment and tell me that if you were able to capture that. So tomorrow there is a very dicey situation. Now this particular range breakout is very powerful, so this becomes a support once again for Bank Nifty, but we should not be looking for a very deep support at the bottom, but we should be looking for something over here at the top. Now the way we trade Bank Nifty on an expiry is that we make a range on the previous swing high and low for the day. So remember, this is the most important range for Bank Nifty. So if tomorrow Bank Nifty opens in between this range, now let me just tell you what the range is all about. Let me just drag it here so that you can see it on your screen as well and record it and mark it on your chart. So the range that I'm talking to you about is 36,243 and 36,451. Any breakout in this particular range, our targets will be on a previous swing. So the previous swing that I'm talking about is here. Now, of course, there are a lot of swings here. We can look about a small, short targets here of 100 points, and on an expiry, 100 points simply means that your option will be accelerating 100 points on the each direction if you're in the money. So over here, if Bank Nifty breaks 36,253, you can initiate a PE for yourself, and that PE can give you an easy money over here till this target, 36,156. And if somehow that is not respected and broken, the last support for this would be at 36,050. So this is how much I'm expecting on the PE side. And on an upside, what I will be doing is that I'll be waiting for Bank Nifty to actually cross 455, 36,455, but not just that, 36,494 as well. Okay, if Bank Nifty is able to do that, we can look for a quick target over here on the previous swing, and you can get a sure shot of a straight away target like how we got one today for another a couple of 100 points. So that is close to 200 to 300 points on an upside. Now remember, there are two things about Bank Nifty that you should be aware of. The puts move way faster. When the market falls, it moves way faster, but when it is a call, it takes its time. So there is a high probability that your stop losses might be hit on calls whenever you're placing them closely, rather than when they are being placed in puts, because I don't want to explain to you that particular juncture. You can just Google it. And remember, tomorrow, if you are on a call side, remember that do not deploy all the quantity at once. Deploy it over a period of time so that you can basket your order and create your target. Okay, so there would be a couple of same volatile whipsaws that will be available in the market, and our no trading zone will be straight away inside this box, guys. Okay, no trading zone will be inside this box. Please do not be attempting this ever. to trade. If it comes to your setup, you're the boss. All right. So with this, I thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. If you have any more questions or queries, you can reach out to us on our WhatsApp number that is also listed on the website. And you can also, if you want to make similar profits, you can join us on www.rltrgroup.com. Thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day. Take care. See you on our next video. Jai Hind. Bye bye.